All right, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you so much for being part of this last teachers training session for this month at least. And hopefully, we'll have a review after the exams. So, very quickly, uh, I think most of you have been very, very active, and I think this is the entire team I've seen who's been very prompt in participating in the sessions. The rest of them mostly wait for the recording or update. What I thought this time is, since most of you are in, let me quickly just give you a gist of what's expected in the examination. Your examinations are due in a day's time, so you will probably and we've been sharing the expectations that be generous with your marks, make sure that the students are doing better for two primary reasons. Parents are judging the success of our online schooling based on what the students are scoring. You might say that the students haven't fared well, but it's been a challenge for them also. It's been a struggle for them, online world. So same with most of you. You've learned a lot of technology this year. In fact, most of us have learned more technology in that 1 year than we've learned in the last 10 years. So you've come a long way, all of you. Congratulations for that. And one more request would be, please send me one liner, a sense of comment, appreciation for your respective students. So all you you would know your students better now in the last 90 days, 100 days we've been teaching them. Just a one liner. I will send a small list of, if you want it, send me a personal message saying, or Christina ma'am, that okay, what could a comment be? A comment could be, let's say the example, Ayush been an excellent child. If Ayush reads a little more, it'll be much better. Or it could be anything. It could be about any child in your class that you feel a positive comment is always better. You can always Google those comments. I thought I'll not spoon feed you, but you can just do that if you wish to. Just suggest that okay, these are the comments I like to do, and you can take it forward from there. So those were the only two pointers we had. Just keep a note of the timings that your exams would be on. Remember, tomorrow perhaps is the last day for an active class, so that ends our March. And from 1st of April, we have our examination, which is like one exam per day or two exams per day, depending on the time. It's either at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or 12 o'clock. You would know your exam times accordingly. This is what we've been doing. Our journey has been truly, I mean, for me, sitting at home, working from home, for someone who travels to three cities in 1 month, that is the kind of project and consultancy I was doing. So I would go to Delhi, come back, then go to Chennai, come back, go to Bangalore, come back. There will be odd trips to Pune, or elsewhere, wherever the request was. Or And to not travel for the entire year was amazing. In fact, I just went to Coimbatore for 1 day, and then to Bangalore by road, and then back to Mumbai. It was very strange traveling. It was like, I realized the world has changed so much in this time. So on that note, I must congratulate all of you. Trust me, you all are as much a corona warriors as the most of the doctors are. You've taken up the challenge. You've learned technology. Most of you have had no idea. You were not zooming your life. And how many of you taken a Zoom class for the first time this year? I mean, not necessarily only with Golden Sparrow. How many of you downloaded the Zoom app for the first time? You can raise your hand. You can just tell me, okay.
I think
Uh,
all of them, sir. All of them, most of them.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. It's good to see. How many of you actually learned about Google Classroom this year for the first time? Okay, there you are. Nargis ma'am says that. I
All
see.
of them.
Me
Absolutely.
too.
Okay. So I think, yeah, Komal ma'am says that. I think only Faisal sir is ancient out here. Like he belongs to the
Yeah,
dinosaur
exactly.
Jurassic Age. Because Faisal sir used to use Zoom for last 2 years, right? That or more than that, Faisal sir. 5 years. I said dinosaur. I mean,
5 years. Oh God.
Krishna ma'am, it's pre-dinosaur era. We all are the modern 21st century learners.
Actually, yeah. Yes.
So I think we all have done some amazing work. All of you been brilliant. So I thought a little bit of a little bit of working around, a little bit of speaking about each one of you. I know that we aren't sending a lot of gifts out there, but there's a little token of appreciation for all of you. So I'll just start with each one of you. The ones who've been very regular, one who've been all right. On operating Zoom, yes, Malika ma'am, we will do some workshops in May, rather, for technology and for upgrading ourselves, and I'll keep you updated. But today I thought I'd
badly
take a
need it,
little time,
sir. That
and
is
I'll
where
just
I'm lacking.
yes, Malika ma'am, you wanted to say something? Sorry. Okay, it was just okay. So some of you been taking sessions from all over India. I've got people from different parts of Mumbai, from north, south, east, west. Actually, trust me, we in fact had a few teachers all the way from, we had Tanzim ma'am from Dubai, but most of you, or Anubhuti ma'am who took a session from Dubai, but most of you been taking sessions all across. I thought a little bit of token of appreciation. So here we are. First one goes to Fatima ma'am in no specific order. It's just that it's right there. Her name. She's one of the youngest teachers I've seen. Uh, very dynamic, all the way from Kalimpong. I think most of you may not even know where Kalimpong exists in India's map. I would like Faisal sir to say a couple of things about Fatima ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Fatima is my sister, and she is 9 years younger to me. She is my cousin, and she is a very hardworking researcher. As far as I have known her till now, she likes to go into the depths of things and has a lot of that research acumen. That is why I recommended her as a teacher to Daud sir, and I would like to know from Daud sir how she has been performing.
Right. I think Faisal sir, Fatima has been one of the finds for us. It's very smart. Anything I've asked her, given a special in terms of social studies. If you are around, Fatima ma'am, why don't you say hello to us? And today I think I'm going to put you all on the cameras. But we need to see who you are. Fatima ma'am, where's your camera? Come on. We need to see. And how was your experience in the last few months?
Okay, I'll just switch on in a second.
It's okay. You can speak up, and then we'll go ahead, Fatima.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, there she is. All right. Good to see you, Fatima.
Hi,
Wonderful.
Fatima ma'am.
You are in
Hello.
Kolkata or in Kalimpong? Where are you?
Kalimpong.
All right. So Kalimpong is right next to Darjeeling. That's what we know. We don't know where Kalimpong exists. Humko pata nahi hai, but it's right next to that. So I think you are living in a wonderful place in the pandemic. How has you been, last few months teaching online, Fatima?
It was a new experience for me, and I got to meet new teachers, and also the students also, they were very wonderful. And in fact, today we had just a fun session with yellows. We played games, and we just played riddles with each other. So it was a new experience for me. I got to know so many things from there. I got to teach them new things. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I think we should thank you. You've been always wonderful. Anytime, I think you've been on the Christina ma'am's hot list. There are few of you who are there. Nobody comes up. She's there. She has few favorites. She immediately turned to one of you. So I see a lot of wonderful work. Yes, Fatima ma'am, keep learning. My advice to all of you, and you in specific, is I love the way you teach social studies. So deep dive into it in this holidays. Do a Coursera course. Bring up a globe. Know the fun in the countries, but become exceptionally well in whatever you do. So there is Fatima ma'am for all of you. Thank you so much. And we have all those people who are here right now. Absolutely wonderful. One of my favorite educators, I'll not make any bones about it, is Anubhuti ma'am. Very strange how do I find, I'm very surprised how did we find each other. But someone whose passion and dedication, I think I can vouch for. More than me, it's Christina ma'am who can vouch for it. Christina ma'am, you want to have a word for her? Anubhuti ma'am, congratulations and thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank
sir,
you, sir.
definitely, definitely.
Go ahead, Christina
Yes,
ma'am. What would
Anubhuti
you like
ma'am,
to
are you
talk
there?
about her? Before
yes,
we
yes,
ask
I'm
Anubhuti
there.
ma'am.
Yeah, she's always available. Like, hats off to her, and the way she takes her classes are really commendable. I just love the way she speaks to the children. Yeah. And she has that warmth in her, like all of her teachers do. I'm not saying like, but I really appreciate her. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Yeah,
It was a
Anubhuti ma'am,
wonderful
where are you?
experience,
Yes.
sir. Thank you so much.
Come
Yes,
on,
it
Anubhuti
was
ma'am, how
a
was your
great
experience?
opportunity. So it was a great opportunity, and I learned so many things from you. Thanks to you. And that webinar was amazing. I mean, I missed the first one, but the second one was really good. It was very informative, and even the Zoom class and Google Classroom, I learned a lot from you guys. And I hope in future again we'll meet.
We hope to continue the journey, ma'am. Thank you so much. And right now, as I speak, there is one teacher in Kalimpong, another one in Lucknow. It's so wonderful. And I was feeling a little bad about it. So let me quickly get a Bombay teacher in so we balance things around.
Sure.
Once again, Anubhuti, ma'am, thank you so much for that lovely, journey. I'm blessed to have teachers with great command over language. And there is another language teacher, Monica, ma'am. Of course, that's how we know you. That's Manisha, ma'am, for you. Manisha, ma'am, we started speaking as a mother with her own child and cricket, and that's how we made a wonderful journey. But she's come in and brilliant language communication skills. Manisha ma'am, thank you so much. How have your journey been?
Thank you so much. It was, thank you for such kind words. It was very good indeed. Yes, I started my Zoom classes very much for the first time during this pandemic. And then again, having a different genre of children, when I joined the hub schooling. So that was also, a great experience, so thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. Yes.
Thank you so much.
So,
No, it's wonderful. All of you been doing amazing. I think, I won't take too much of it. I just wanted to appreciate each one of you individually for all the efforts you put in, at least the ones who are here. There is Komal ma'am. We met fairly late into the academic year with Komal ma'am, but she really took upon creativity, arts into her stride. I think she thinks in color. My dreams are black and white. Komal ma'am dreams must be in color. Brilliant work. Thank you so much, ma'am. How has your journey been, Komal ma'am?
थैंक यू सो मच सर. एक्चुअली स्कूल में फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे करवाया, बाकी घर से क्लासेस लेती थी एंड ऑल, बट जूम पे तो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ही किया आपके साथ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद.
राइट, वंडरफुल. कृष्णा मैम, आप क्या बोलेंगे कोमल मैम के बारे में?
वेरी हेल्पफुल टू मी.
सर कोमल मैम हमेशा हाँ ही बोल देती है, वॉट एवर फीडबैक यू, यस मैम यस मैम यस मैम, हो जाएगा. Like I remember the meeting when we had with the parents like 1.5 months ago when she joined. So she immediately, like in 10 minutes, she took up the Google Classroom, command, and also it's really good. Like, all our teachers, sir, all our teachers are so,
बहुत रहा है, मतलब very helpful.
ऐसा नहीं है. नहीं, मैं act करती हूँ, मैं helpful हूँ. I just act.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Yeah, all our teachers are really good, sir. All our teachers.
Right. No, I think it's just a small team out there. Next on is another teacher who's been wonderful. I think she's the one who asked most questions to Christina ma'am and me. That's Nargis ma'am for all of you.
Nargis ma'am.
Wonderful.
Nargis
I should have made you all guess the teachers. We'll do that by maybe next year when you do it.
Actually, you should have guessed the teacher. Yeah. Where is Nargis ma'am?
Congratulations, Nargis ma'am. I think you've been amazing, wonderful. Again, a language teacher has been taking up anything. We asked her to do life skills. She was scared. She was apprehensive, but you did a wonderful job. Nargis ma'am, a few words from you.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful opportunity. You have actually made my life colorful, giving me a chance to work with you all. And thanks to Christina ma'am, she is very, very supportive. Hats off to her. Always available to answer my queries at least.
The most talkative teacher I've ever come across is Nargis ma'am.
Daud sir is also spontaneous. Excellent, sir. I would just want to follow you, sir.
I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and I think all of you are wonderful. This has been a journey of, of togetherness in a platform.
Enjoying the journey, sir.
Thank you so much, Nargis ma'am. Right next is a pre-primary team, and it's Afreen ma'am. I hope I've got the right Afreen right now. We got two Afreens. I keep saying that. It's my Sita Gita issue now. But Afreen Ansari ma'am has been wonderful from Pune now. She's done some wonderful job with the pre-primary kids. Afreen ma'am, how has your journey been? If I can hear you out, please. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. It was very wonderful journey, and it was actually unbelievable for me to teach in hub school. I didn't expect it, such thing. It is a great opportunity for me. Thank you so much for that.
That's wonderful, Afreen ma'am.
Nice.
Always, pre-primary teachers speak very less. Krishna, is that right?
Yeah, they speak more to the children, no, sir? That's the
That's
reason.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Also, Afreen Sheikh, ma'am. I said these are two Afreens we've got. She's not here. So, but all of you've done amazing work, including Valeta, who's including Ramanpreet, ma'am. So all the entire pre-primary team have done wonderful. I must appreciate them. And your certificates, the one I'm showing you, will be emailed you, or rather, I'll put it on WhatsApp. Add them to your LinkedIn profile. Add them to your resumes. You really deserve this as a certificate of excellence. Right there, we've got our own Anubha ma'am for all the wonderful maths thing that you've taught, ma'am. Brilliant work. Again, someone who joined in a little, later part of the academic year, seamlessly added in. Ma'am, how has your journey been? Thank you so much for being here.
Hello everyone, and the journey was really wonderful. It was the time of my life. I am having an 11 months old daughter, and I thought my career will be stopped at this time because I am getting older now, and हो सकता है मुझे कुछ opportunity नहीं हो. We just moved to Mumbai on 25th December. So it's a pause in my career, and all of a sudden I seen this Facebook advertisement of job for ICT teacher it was, but I just randomly messaged out sir about yes, I am a maths teacher if you need something, and he all of a sudden he just gave me this demo class and I'm being selected, and it's मतलब रुकी रुकी थी जिंदगी झट से चल पड़ी हो गया. मुझे मैथ्स पढ़ाना बहुत पसंद है और वो रुक रहा था जो कहीं कमी थी. मतलब इतना कंप्लीट लगता है सर, लिटरली a wonderful journey. इतना सपोर्ट क्रिस्टीना मैम का भी. मैं समय पे काम कभी नहीं कर पाती हूँ कुछ चीजें, पर शी ऑलवेज देयर कि नहीं मैम ठीक है ना, हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. बहुत मजा आ रहा है सर, लिटरली बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस टीम. Thank
you so much, Anubha ma'am, and I think all of you deserve this appreciation. All of you been working very hard, and I see that in the children. I can see the efforts in the online classes. When I meet my friends and cousins, we just had a small meeting. Of course, lockdown is there, but I could see children hating the online classes. It's not the same. We don't say because we're just part of the Golden Sparrow. And here's another teacher who's made a big difference in STEM, maths or science. It's Malika ma'am. I think Malika ma'am is someone who's, despite being, sick or down or ill, it's very rare to see her not taking a class. Malika ma'am, how are you doing today? And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the lovely opportunity, I would say, sir. And it's really very great working with people like y'all. And thank you so much for the opportunity. And last is for the support and understanding from you, and especially Christina ma'am.
Hey, Christina ma'am, you take the cake out there. Malika ma'am, you're not very far from her.
She's the star employee of our class.
You're the cake and she's the cherry on the cake.
Right. Okay, I think there's just one more person out there. That's Zulekha ma'am, another young student out there. She herself is studying. Zulekha ma'am has been wonderful. She's from Kolkata. So I think we've got teachers from all across now. She's taken up science for Violet classes, doing wonderful. I love the way you interact, your games. Again, someone to a go-to teacher for Christina ma'am. Zulekha ma'am, how have your journey been? And congratulations so much.
So all are my go-to teachers. So what else things?
Okay.
Spoiling my rapport with
work
them.
to everybody, right?
All are my go-to teacher. In the morning, I called Anubha at 9:45. That can you take a class at 10 o'clock?
I know. This is wonderful.
All are my go-to teachers.
Where are you, Zulekha ma'am? I really would like Zulekha ma'am to put the camera on and come on.
Sir, 1 second.
Just speak up. It's okay, Zulekha. It's okay.
Sir, so my experience has been great, sir. I did not expect that I'll be teaching. Like, out of all my goals, teaching was never my goal, but now I would love to continue this experience. And sir, with my college classes, like even my college mates know that on Tuesdays and Fridays college class नहीं रखना क्योंकि मुझे teaching करनी है.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, all of you, for all the effort. Did we miss anything here? Did we forgot to add anyone out there? I think all of you in.
Yes. Asima ma'am has not joined.
This is not joined. So I will share your certificates in the group itself so that, don't worry, it'll be a little cluttered, but please download. This certificate does mean a lot to me when I appreciate and I give you. It will add on to the work you've done, and I hope the journey continues. And yes, how do we not forget this person who's been nagging us, irritating us all throughout the year? It's her calls that are dead. My daughters have promised that, Abba, you should not speak to her when you're on vacation or on Sundays. Someone we love to hate,
Oh,
right? There she is.
oh,
Christina,
it's me.
I think
Yeah.
our journey would not be complete without you. Who do
Yeah,
we start
correct, sir.
speaking? Everybody can complain. Jitni shikayat hai, aaj bol do. Can we start with you, Faisal sir?
Faisal sir doesn't answer my calls at times, sir. He doesn't.
No,
He
it's our
doesn't.
time to complain, Christina.
She
ma'am.
has complaints.
Faisal, can you unmute, please?
Yeah, she is in the permanent state of making calls. Like when I'm sleeping, when I'm eating. So
Sir, but
how
it's
do I
always
answer all
urgent.
your calls, Christina,
I
ma'am?
never
I'm sorry
get
for
an
that.
answer.
Right. And I think most of us will put Christina ma'am in the spam list of callers now after the holidays.
Oh God. Yeah,
No,
I think so.
no.
I think Christina ma'am,
We'll
you have been amazing. I think whatever tasks we have asked any time of the day, I think she's always been available. God bless you in all your work, in every
Yeah,
challenge you're
thank you
facing.
so much,
I
sir.
think you've been amazing, Christina.
Yeah.
ma'am. Can I have a couple of you talk about Christina ma'am rather than me? Go ahead.
Yes,
Who all
yes,
have
sir.
interacted with her?
I certainly agree. She's very, very good with her work. Completely good at the go. Any query, any issues, she's there to clear up things. So
Yeah,
yes,
thank you so much,
she was,
Monica ma'am. Thank you so
yeah,
So
much.
one
she was
thing I would say,
great.
Christina ma'am normally says, "हो जाएगा ma'am, बोलो ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है." इतनी अच्छी लगती है वो लाइन, ऐसा एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस की चलो it's okay,
That's
fine.
a true Mumbai ka Anubhav ma'am. वो हमको जमता
Yeah,
है.
Yeah.
actually, and it gives her confidence. Okay, chalo, so everything is fine now.
Yeah. But thank you so much. I think our
Nargis
team
ma'am,
only
wanna
is
add
very
something
good. So
from
we are blessed with a very good team. I think we are blessed with a very good team. Not forgetting Dawood sir, not forgetting Faisal sir, Tanzim ma'am, really. Like I remember my day one where I was like, I don't know anything about Zoom. How do I, coordinate? How do I go ahead? So these people were always like, no, don't worry, wait for few days and all. So I'm telling you, we are blessed with such good, authorities. Like I'm really blessed, sir. Really.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Quick words. I
Yeah.
think Anubhuti ma'am, Nargis ma'am want to add something for her. Krishna ma'am, please go ahead and we'll probably.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to add that here are all the golden stars, but I think she's a diamond in the group.
Wow,
thank you
that's
so much,
lovely.
ma'am.
There you are. She already made you
Yeah,
rich,
thank you.
Krishna ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Best. Welcome.
Highly responsible, sir. Highly responsible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nargis ma'am, I agree with you.
And
Anything goes
very
wrong,
committed.
she's responsible.
She is
Yeah.
very much responsible and very cooperative. Always happily answering my queries.
Nargis, ma'am, I told you, you asked me the
Everyone,
maximum questions.
You are the best, but
Right, everybody.
Yeah, thank
So
you
once
so much,
again,
everyone.
everybody.
actually, I think I'm still a learner, so I keep asking. I would like to
Yes,
learn
yes,
more,
yes,
so
yes,
I
Nargis,
keep
ma'am, no
asking.
offense. Yeah,
Always
yes.
welcome, Nargis ma'am. Do not hesitate.
Yes,
Put
sir.
all your queries and questions, and do not be afraid. Do not be apprehensive. Anything, we make mistakes. Sometimes we have
Thanks
to
to
add
you
something.
too, sir. Sir, you're also
Yes,
very
Dawood
highly
sir and Faisal sir.
cooperative.
Yes.
No, thank you.
That's
I'm
the
so
first
humble.
thing, sir.
Dawood sir is very, very cooperative and he motivates us to that extent that we have to
Exactly,
ask more and
exactly.
more things. Then. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
exactly.
you.
I agree
Sir,
with
thank
you,
you so
Nargis
much.
ma'am. Actually, I also got a lot of support from both these people, Faisal sir and Dawood sir.
Yes.
Always,
I
and
wish you
they
all.
make us very comfortable. Call us every time.
Yes.
I was afraid of calling him Dawood
We
sir,
get
but he
highly
always say,
motivated.
"No,
We
no,
get
okay."
charged to do our duty,
Yeah.
Exactly.
So
Actually,
blessed. Thank you so much.
we eagerly wait
Sorry,
for the
Faisal
class
sir,
to
I don't
come.
know you
Okay.
much. So I don't have any words for you, but you also cooperative. Thank you, sir.
That's
Yes,
perfectly
sir.
fine, Nargis ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Which a PDF Nimila, he sent so many mails to access the PDF.
Everybody, yes.
Actually,
Yeah.
Right.
So even for
So-
Faisal sir, even Dawood sir, Faisal sir, both of them are a huge support to all of us. Yeah.
No,
So
I
thank
hope
you.
we continue our journey. I hope you all, first of all of you stay safe. Say, your families may all you all stay safe, and hopefully we'll continue this wonderful journey. So once again, thank you so much. Be again, remember the halo effect in your examination. Be very generous with your exams. If you don't have to take decisions. If this is Golden Sparrow, that's what we want. If you think that you should have an open book exam, if you think you want to help your child in a particular exam, do not wait. Just go ahead and do it. anything, we should be a child-centric online, or offline, whatever. Our focus should be child's learning rather than giving marks. So on that, all the best for the future endeavors. We'll keep in touch. We'll have more sessions. Don't worry, it's not the final session. But until then, thank you so much. Bye-bye and good luck.
Sir, I have a suggestion.
Please,
Sir,
Anubha,
I
ma'am.
want
All
to say
right.
something. Yeah, I have come across a photograph in Facebook. It is a class photograph for online class. We can also do something like this for each and every
Please.
class of ours.
Absolutely.
I'll share this photo in our WhatsApp group. You just have a look on it, and if it's fine, then we can make it.
Yes,
better.
yes, we can do that, ma'am.
We are just editing the pictures of the student with a normal class photograph. I'll share a
We
photo.
just did in Tagore. Please send me Anubha, ma'am. We'll immediately implement that, and anything
If
that
we
makes the
can
children happy.
possible that.
And again, a
Yeah.
reminder, if you can do that one liner about your students, by today evening
Yeah.
or max tomorrow, it'll make a big boost for these students and their parents. So until then, bye-bye, everybody.
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much. Good
All
night.
right. God
Bye, bye,
Thank
bye,
you.
Thank you
everyone.
so
Bye,
much.
bye, bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.